In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print Evernote notes. Printing from Evernote is really straightforward once you know where everything is, and in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact clicks so you don't miss anything. Whether you're preparing a meeting handout, backing up important information, or just prefer reading on paper, these are the steps you'll follow. First, open Evernote and navigate to the note you want to print. Make sure you actually have that note open in the editor, not just selected in a list. This is important because the print option only applies to the note that's currently active. Take a moment to scroll through and confirm the content looks the way you want it to appear on paper. Check for things like extra blank lines, images that might be too large, or any last-minute edits you want to make before committing it to print. Once your note is ready, move your attention to the top right corner of the note editor. Here, you'll see the More Actions button, represented by 3 small dots in a row. This is where Evernote hides a lot of note-specific options, including printing. Go ahead and click on that More Actions button. A drop-down menu will appear with several choices related to your note. From this drop-down, look for the option labeled Print. On desktop, it will usually just say Print. On iPhone or iPad, you may see it labeled as Print Note instead. The wording is slightly different depending on your device, but they do the same thing. Click on that option, and Evernote will pass your note to your system's print window. At this point, you've left Evernote's interface, and you're now using your computer or mobile device's standard print dialog. Here, you can choose your printer, adjust the number of copies, and set options like color versus black and white, page range, and orientation. It's a good idea to use the preview in this window to double-check that your note fits nicely on the page, especially if it contains long checklists, tables, or images. When you're happy with the settings, click Print to send your Evernote note to the printer. After a moment, your note should come out exactly as you saw it in the preview. That's all there is to it. Open the note, use the More Actions menu, select Print, and finalize everything in your system's print